Namo Buddhaya and welcome to Buddha Sunshine. In the peaceful hills of Edo, a lone samurai named Hiroshi wandered through the quiet forests, his heart heavy with guilt. Once a celebrated warrior, he had failed to protect his master during an ambush, leaving him a ronin, a samurai without a master. For years, he drifted without purpose, hoping to find a way to redeem himself. One evening, as the golden sun sank into the horizon, Hiroshi stumbled upon a small village. Fear was etched on every face. Ruthless bandits had been raiding their homes and stealing their harvest. The villagers, too weak and untrained to fight, pleaded with Hiroshi for help. Though burdened by his past, Hiroshi saw their desperation and agreed, sensing a chance to reclaim his honor. Through the night, Hiroshi worked tirelessly. He studied the land, setting traps along the narrow paths leading into the village. By day, he taught the villagers to fight using simple tools, pitchforks, sticks, and stones. He instilled in them courage and the importance of standing together. On the third evening, when the bandits arrived, they were met with a storm of resistance. Hiroshi fought like a force of nature, his blade moving with precision, honed by years of practice. Inspired by his bravery, the villagers stood firm, driving the bandits away. As the first light of dawn spread across the village, Hiroshi packed his sword. The villagers, grateful and joyous, offered him a place to stay. But Hiroshi declined with a humble bow, explaining that his journey was far from over. With a quiet resolve, he walked into the rising sun, a man still searching for inner peace. You see, the story of Hiroshi teaches us valuable lessons for our daily lives. It reminds us that failure, though painful, does not have to define us. Instead, it can serve as a foundation for growth and redemption if we face it with courage and determination. It also highlights the importance of helping others, showing that using our abilities to uplift those in need not only benefits them, but also gives us a sense of purpose and fulfillment. The villagers' victory underscores the power of unity, demonstrating that challenges can be overcome when people stand together and support one another. Finally, Hiroshi's decision to continue his journey reflects the idea that personal growth and search for peace are ongoing processes, encouraging us to keep striving to improve ourselves no matter where we are in life. Thank you so much for joining Buddha Sunshine and stay blessed.